My dear students, in the last class we have seen one example on the Fourier series. In continuation of the same, let me consider f of x equal to x square in the interval minus pi to plus pi. As we have earlier known that we need to write the Fourier series expansion in general term as usual, which is shown with equation number 1. Then the respective Fourier coefficients are computed by a naught equal to 1 upon pi, and the interval is between minus pi to plus pi f of x dx, where f of x is x square. Therefore its integration and the simplification will be a naught equals to 2 pi square by 3. Similarly, a n is equal to 1 upon pi between minus pi to plus pi f of x cos nx dx, and f of x is what? Cos x square, and we need to go with Bernoulli's form of the integration. What is that? U into v1 minus u dash into v2 plus u double dash into v3 and so on between minus pi to plus pi. And since sin n pi is 0, obviously first and third terms will become 0, leaving behind only the second term. Therefore 2 upon pi n square x cos n pi between minus pi to plus pi, putting the upper and lower limit. Since cos n pi minus n pi is cos n pi, therefore this reduces to 4 upon n square minus 1 raised to n, because cos n pi is minus 1 raised to n. Similarly, Bn is equal to, this is 1 upon pi between minus pi to plus pi f of x sin nx dx. Again using the Bernoulli's form of the integration, x square sin nx u into v1 minus u dash into v2 plus u double dash into v3, where u is given by x square, v is given by sin nx. Therefore obviously Bn reduces to 0. Then putting a naught, which is 2 pi square by 3, an 4 upon n square into minus 1 raised to n, and bn is 0 in the equation number 1. Therefore what happens here, substituting the all the results in 1, this will become pi square by 3 plus summation n is equal to 1 to infinity minus 1 raised to n divided by n square cos nx. Okay, therefore let me consider another example in the interval 0 to 2 pi. The example will be x into 2 pi minus x. Hence show that f of x equal to this expansion. Again we need to write the Fourier series expansion in detail. In general, a naught equal to what? 2 pi x minus x square. I am using the opening the bracket 2 pi x minus x square between 0 to 2 pi, because the interval is given between 0 to 2 pi. Therefore obviously what happens here, a naught equals to 4 pi square upon 3, and n is equal to 1 upon pi between 0 to 2 pi f of x cos nx dx. Therefore 1 upon pi between 0 to 2 pi 2 pi x minus x square into cos nx dx. Therefore n is equal to minus 4 upon n square. Therefore cos 2n pi is equal to 1 is equal to cos 0. Obviously bn is equal to what? Again 0 to 2 pi, 1 upon pi is outside, f of x sin nx. This term will be 2 pi x minus x square into sin nx dx. Again u into v1 minus u dash into v2 plus u double dash into, which is the Bernoulli's form of the integration. This will reduce us to 0. The computed results are shown here. Therefore substituting in the equation number 1 this result by putting n is equal to 1, 2, 3 and so on. That's all. There is no other thing. Therefore the expansion will be 2 pi square by 3 minus 4, because there is a minus sign here, into n is equal to 1 cos x upon 1 square, n is equal to 2 cos 2x upon 2 square and so on. Okay, thank you.